పడితే రాజా దెబ్బలు పడితే రో దెబ్బ దెబ్బ దెబ్బలు పడితే రో కిస్ 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 కిసిక్క కిస్సా కిస్సా కిస్ కిసిక్క దెబ్బలు పడితే రాజా దెబ్బలు పడితే రో దెబ్బ దెబ్బ దెబ్బలు పడితే రో కిస్ 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 కిసిక్క కిస్సా కిస్సా కిస్ కిసిక్క.
హాయ్ హలో వెల్కమ్ టు బిగ్ టీవీ స్పెషల్ చిట్ చాట్. గత కొన్ని రోజులుగా సోషల్ మీడియాలో ఒక వీడియో తెగ ట్రెండ్ అవుతుంది. అదే పుష్ప 2కు సంబంధించి అల్లు అర్జున్ పక్కన ఒక ముద్దుగుమ్మ డాన్స్ చేసిన వీడియో. అయితే ఈ వీడియోలో ఆ ముద్దుగుమ్మ తన హాట్ అందాలతో తన డాన్స్తో అటు కుర్రకారిని ఇటు ప్రేక్షకులందరినీ కూడా కట్టుపడేసింది. అప్పటి నుంచి కూడా ఈ అమ్మడు ఎవరంటూ కూడా ప్రతి ఒక్కరూ తెగ సెర్చ్ చేస్తున్నారు. ఆమె ఎవరూ కాదు, అందాల బామ ఊర్వశి అప్సరా.
హలో.
యా హాయ్, హౌ ఆర్ యూ?
ఐఎమ్ గుడ్, హౌ ఆర్ యూ?
యా ఫైన్. సో మిమ్మల్ని ఎలా చూస్తుంటే చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఉంది. సో కిస్సింగ్ సాంగ్ పుష్ప 2లో మెయిన్ స్టార్టింగ్ కిస్సింగ్ సాంగ్ మేకింగ్ వీడియో ఏదైతే ఉందో అది రివీల్ అయిన తర్వాత ప్రతి ఒక్కరు కూడా సెర్చింగ్ చేస్తున్నారు. ఎవరి ముద్దుగుమ్మ, ఎవరి అమ్మడు, ఎక్కడి నుంచి వచ్చింది అంటూ కూడా. సో చాలా వైరల్ అయింది ఈ మేకింగ్ వీడియో. సో హౌ ఈజ్ యువర్ ఫీలింగ్?
It was very unexpected at first because I had just posted a BTS video of my work, and then suddenly overnight the views went from 1 million, 5 million, 10, 20, 30, 40, 60, and now it's 70. So I've got so much love from all over the country, especially from Telangana, Hyderabad. So many people from the south are loving, and this is the best thing of my life. Like, I'm so happy. And
star
yeah, I just uploaded the video and it just went boom over the social media, and I'm just loving this feeling. Like, so much love, like all of a sudden so much love is very unexpected, but a very big surprise for me.
తులసి గారు, ఇప్పుడు ప్రజెంట్ పుష్ప 2 సాంగ్ ఏదైతే రిలీజ్ అయిందో, సాంగ్ ఈ వీడియో ట్రెండింగ్ అవ్వక ముందు మీ లైఫ్ ఎలా ఉండేది? ఇప్పుడు సాంగ్ ట్రెండ్ అయింది, చాలా మంది మీకు ఫ్యాన్స్ అయిపోయారు. ఇటు మొత్తం అటు తెలంగాణ, ఏపీలో కూడా ఓవరాల్ కుర్రగారు మొత్తం ఇంకా ఎవరి ఊర్వశి అప్సరా అంటున్నారు. సో మీ లైఫ్ ఎలా చేంజ్ ఉంది ఇప్పుడు?
At first my life was normal. I was working as an assistant choreographer. Already I was trying to be an actor, but I've been working as assistant and trying my best to get some opportunity as an actor. But after I posted this BTS video, my life has completely changed, because you see that how many fans Bunny sir has, like crazy fan base he has, and I consider myself very lucky that I have got to work with him, like personally, to speak with him, to share an experience with him, to dance with him, to perform with him. So my life has changed in a very good way, that people now know me that who Urvashi Apsara is. So सॉन्ग के पहले लोगों को पता नहीं था कि उर्वशी कौन है, बट नाउ एवरीबडी थ्रू आउट द नेशन एवरीबडी नोज दैट दिस पर्टिकुलर गर्ल इज उर्वशी अप्सरा. सो ऑल क्रेडिट गोज टू माय डियर अल्लू अर्जुन सर. थैंक यू so much for this opportunity, and the audience for giving me so much love and support. I really love you guys.
అల్లు అర్జున్ కి ఇంత ఫ్యాన్ అయిపోయారు కదా, సో అల్లు అర్జున్ తో వర్క్ చేయడం ఎలా అనిపిస్తుంది మీకు?
Allu Arjun sir is a legendary artist, such a big artist, and my journey to started back in Pushpa 1 when I first worked with him. And I was like beyond words, like being working with him, and I was very nervous that he's such a big artist and how do I speak to him. I was very nervous, but the moment he came on stage, like on the set, he made me and the other team members so comfortable that we did not feel that we are working with such a big artist.
Okay.
And I feel I'm very lucky that after 3 years in Pushpa 2, Allu Arjun sir still remembers me, that this is the girl who was in Pushpa 1. So I am extremely grateful that such a big artist still remembers me, and I got a chance to work with him again. And I don't have words. Like, when I just see him, I feel that the shoot should not end. The shoot just should keep on going on. I just want to work every day with him because he has a very positive aura.
Okay.
He is very charismatic and very down to earth person, and very friendly. He will always observe everything on the set. he is just not an actor. Bunny sir, if you're watching this, this is especially for you. I wanted to tell you this personally, but I know I cannot speak to him because I get very nervous still now when I cannot speak to this. But Bunny sir, you are the best actor I have seen in my life till now. He's just not an actor. He is a choreographer. He is a director, and he is a mind blowing artist, and he's just an inspiration for me. Thank you for changing my life.
ఎస్ చూస్తున్నాం అల్లు అర్జున్ గారు అంటే ఎంత మీరు కంఫర్ట్గా ఫీల్ అయ్యి ఇప్పటి వరకు వర్క్ చేశారనేది కూడా మీ మాటల్లో తెలుస్తుంది. సో ఎంత కంఫర్ట్గా ఫీల్ అయ్యి సో మిమ్మల్ని ఎంత సపోర్ట్ చేశారనేది కూడా చాలా క్లియర్గా తెలుస్తుంది. ఇప్పుడు చాలా సక్సెస్ఫుల్గా కొరియోగ్రఫీ అయితే చేశారు. ఒక సాంగ్ పుష్ప 2 సాంగ్ చాలా హిట్ అయింది. అసలు మీరు కొరియోగ్రాఫర్గా రావాలని చెప్పేసి ఎప్పటి నుంచి అనుకున్నారు? ఎప్పుడు సినీ ఇండస్ట్రీలోకి ఎంటర్ అయ్యారు? ఈ చిన్నప్పటి నుంచి మీ డ్రీమా, లేదంటే ఎవరినైనా ఇన్స్పిరేషన్గా తీసుకుని కొరియోగ్రఫీగా ఎంట్రీ ఇచ్చారా?
When I was a small girl, I always had the passion for dancing.
Okay.
And my mom used to say that when I was a 3 or 4-year-old little girl, I was always glued to the TV. Like, I don't know if you've heard this music, Kaliyo Ka Chaman or Kaata Laga. ऐसे
Okay.
type के songs जब TV में आते थे, तो I just used to like constantly watch like what is happening. Those girls are dancing and music, and I used to enjoy that a lot. And I used to copy those girls. Like, I used to go in my room in front of the mirror and dance in the way those models were dancing back in those days.
Wow.
And then in school, I participated in different school competitions. And then I did in the college also. I was participating in different college competitions. And from there, I just got a break as an assistant choreographer in Dear Zindagi movie. That was my first Bollywood break as an assistant choreographer. And then
Nice.
there was no looking back from there. So that's how the journey started. And I worked in more than, I don't know, 100, 200 songs as an
Okay.
assistant and as an actor. So I'm also giving a lot of auditions, and I have done 3 Gujarati movies, 3 regional Gujarati movies,
Wow.
and 2 Hindi movies. And now I'm looking forward to work in the Telugu cinema.
Okay, which is the best movie you were choreography?
Pushpa. Obviously,
Pushpa.
it was not my choreography. It was Master Ganesh Acharya.
Assistant choreography.
Yeah, but that was the best project in my life. Pushpa was a life-changing project. I never thought that it is gonna do wonders in my life. That Allu Arjun sir will recognize my talent and appreciate. And thanks to Ganesh Acharya also for this opportunity. So everything just worked out, and the universe is also in my favor. So it was definitely a turning point of my life.
Yes, definitely 100% right. And which genre songs you likes you?
I love hip hop.
Hip hop.
Hip hop is my favorite, and I also love Arabic music because I'm a belly dancer. So yeah, and
Yes, I tell. Okay, I will see. Pushpa 1. Ooh antava mamu.
yeah. So yeah, I was an assistant in that song as well. So talking about like music, which genre I love, I do love Arabic, I love hip hop, and I love all the South Indian songs because it has a lot of energy and creativity. And if I speak about the South choreographers and actors, and they always just get something new on the plate, like something you cannot imagine. It has a lot of energy and drama and music. So I'm just always fascinated with the South songs and dance moves and the actors.
Okay.
Yeah.
So which is your favorite song in Telugu movies? Only one song.
Only one song.
Yeah.
Kisik is my
Kisik.
recent favorite song. But the
Recent and all-time favorite.
all-time favorite is Ooh Antava. Like
Okay.
anytime I can listen to Ooh Antava. But other than this favorite, Butta Bomma is my favorite song.
Wow. Allu Arjun song.
Yes, all Allu Arjun songs. Yeah. And
Okay.
also Topless 40, because the way Allu Arjun sir has danced in that song, and back then I had not worked with him, so I used to watch in TV and I was like, Oh my God, Allu Arjun sir is doing fabulous job because the kind of steps he was doing, like up and down on the floor and on the knees, and that was something very impossible. Like if I
Yes.
was thinking if I was a dancer in that song, I would have been dead by now. So
Okay.
hats off to Bunny sir that how do you make this possible? And maybe I just manifested this thing like watching him on TV and then working with him, so it is like a dream come true, really. Like from TV to watching someone like really
Really
live
working, yes.
and working with
Live
him
working.
and speaking with him. I also spoke with him that Bunny sir, I really have love for acting and I want to be an actor. So he said that that's a great thing and you should go, you should join some acting classes and you should try and
Okay.
definitely you will make wonders.
ఉర్వశి గారు, ఈ కిస్సిక్ సాంగ్ శ్రీలీల స్టెప్స్ చాలా హైలైట్ అయ్యాయి. స్క్రీన్ మీద డాన్స్ చూసి అందరూ వావ్ అన్నారు. అందరూ స్టెప్స్ వేశారు. సాంగ్ కూడా ప్రతి ఒక్కరు కిస్సిక్ కిస్సిక్ అంటా కూడా ఎవ్రీవన్ బడి కిస్సిక్ సాంగ్ ప్రెజెంట్. బట్ యువర్ వీడియో రిలీజ్ అయిన తర్వాత యూట్యూబ్లో శ్రీలీల కంటే బెటర్గా ఊర్వశి అప్సరా వేసిందని చెప్పేసి కామెంట్స్ పెడుతున్నారు. మీ ఫీల్ ఏంటి?
The yes, there are a lot of comments that Urvashi is better than Shrillila. So I would like to say that I, as an artist, feel that I am lucky that I am being compared to such a big artist like Shrillila because it is not easy to match her. And I consider that, okay, now I am in that level that I can match. So, Shrillila ma'am is extremely talented and she's a very good human being as well. She's very down to earth and very friendly again. I don't know, all the South Indian actors are very sweet and kind hearted. So, when I was working with Shrillila, it is one experience I would like to share is that really touched my heart. Is when I went to her vanity van to teach her the steps.
ఓకే.
I did not have my lunch, and she was very kind enough to ask me that, did you have your lunch? And I said, no ma'am, I'll have it now. So she said, no, 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 you eat and have. I said, no ma'am, I'll have it later. You said. So she like literally shouted on me that, Urvashi, sit and you're gonna have lunch right now and then you'll go.
Wow.
And I was like convincing ma'am, no, please, I will go, because I was feeling very awkward as it's Sri Lila ma'am, so I cannot like stay in her vanity. But she is so sweet that she made me sit in her vanity and she gave me food from her own tiffin, like the food she got it from her home. So thank you, Sri Lila ma'am, you're very sweet. And I would like to request all the audience to not to compare me with Sri Lila ma'am, because she is a great artist. I appreciate that you guys are giving me so much love and support. But again, I would say that I consider myself lucky that I am being compared to Sri Lila ma'am.
ఓకే.
Yes.
నెక్స్ట్ గణేష్ ఆచార్య గారి దగ్గర మీరు వర్క్ చేస్తున్నారు. సో మీకు ఈ ఆపర్చునిటీ ఎలా వచ్చింది? ఆయనతో వర్క్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఎలా ఉంది?
Working with Master G it's a beautiful experience indeed. I met him 5 years back when he was making a movie called Dehate Disco. It was a movie between two dance groups. One
Okay.
is Western and one is from the village, and they just battle amongst each other. So one of my friends just called me and said that Ganesh Acharya sir is looking for good hip hop dancers. So are you
Okay.
interested? And I was like very excited that yeah, of course I want to work with him, because I remember I have watched him in the TV ABCD movie. If you have seen Ganesh
Okay.
Acharya sir in ABCD movie, unko TV पे देखा था, and always had that wish that I want to work with him. So I got this opportunity through this movie. I joined him, and then after that I've been working with him. And he is very sweet and very chill kind of choreographer, very friendly, always enjoying and joking around with all the dancers and all. And one thing I would like to say that even Ganesh Acharya sir met my parents, and he told my parents that Urvashi is a very talented girl, and Urvashi is gonna go like very up in life. She's gonna do big things in life. So I hope that Masterji, whatever you said, it's gonna come true, and I will make you also proud one day.
ఇండస్ట్రీకి వచ్చే ముందు మీ ఫ్యామిలీలో ఎలా ఉండేవారు? అంటే ఎవరన్నా మీ ఫ్యామిలీలో సినీ ఇండస్ట్రీలో వర్క్ చేస్తున్న వాళ్ళు ఉన్నారా? లేదా ఎవరు ఓన్‌గా ఇండస్ట్రీకి వచ్చారా? అండ్ సపోర్ట్ ఎలా ఉండేది ఇంట్లో? మీ మదర్ అండ్ ఫాదర్ ఎవరైనా సపోర్ట్ ఉన్నారా? కొరియోగ్రఫీ ఎంట్రీ ఇచ్చిన తర్వాత ఇండస్ట్రీలో సపోర్ట్ చేస్తున్నారా? వాళ్ళ సపోర్ట్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది?
When I started dancing, it was little difficult for my parents to accept this thing as working in the industry, because as parents they feel that what future you're gonna have in the industry, what are you gonna learn, like it is risky and you have to struggle a lot. It's better that you study and you get good degree and focus more on the
Yes.
studies and the academics. But like eventually they saw that I'm working hard, and I've got a lot of awards. I've won Miss Mumbai 2016. I was Miss Mumbai
Wow.
title also.
Very nice.
And all the other projects which I've done, like working with Ganesh Acharya and more other big artists, so they have always been proud. And then they started supporting. They understood that okay, she's doing well, and if we'll support, then she'll do wonders in life. So yeah, and there is nobody from my family in the industry, like not even my 3 generations, and nobody has ever even seen that what shooting is. Like they just get shocked or excited that okay, this is how shooting happens. So in my family, even today, for them shooting is a very big thing. Like they just get excited and they just tell me that हमें भी shooting पे लेके जा, हमें भी shooting देखना है. So it's a very new thing for them. So I think I am the first one from my family and my whole caste. The whole cast that I am the only one who is working in the industry.
Okay. And are you yoga trainer?
Yes.
Wow.
So I went to Rishikesh last year, and
Okay.
I have done a teacher training yoga course for 2 months.
సో ఈ రెండింటిని బ్యాలెన్స్ ఎలా చేస్తున్నారు? యోగా ట్రైనర్ అండ్ కొరియోగ్రఫీ.
It is connected because
Okay.
both are physically, both the things are done physically. Dance is physical, yoga is physical, and I think being a dancer, yoga really helped me because it gives you good flexibility, mindfulness, blissfulness, and spirituality. And I believe a lot in God, so yoga has very much helped me to maintain myself, my diet, and again mindfulness and everything. So everyone should do yoga.
వెరీ నైస్.
Yes.
ప్రెసెంట్ కొరియోగ్రఫీ కంటిన్యూ చేస్తూ నెక్స్ట్ మూవీస్లోకి హీరోయిన్గా ఎంట్రీ ఇవ్వాలనుకుంటున్నారు. ఏ ప్రాజెక్ట్తో రాబోతున్నారు? అంటే కొరియోగ్రఫీ వదిలేసి హీరోయిన్గా ఎంట్రీ ఇస్తారా? ఆరు రెండు మేనేజ్ చేస్తారా?
Dance has always been my passion, and
Okay.
I worked as a choreographer for my passion, and I believe that whatever opportunities you get in life, you should take it like I did, because you never know कि कब कौन सी opportunity आपको कहाँ ले जाए. So like for example Pushpa, I did it because I am passionate about dancing, and that's how I met Allu Arjun sir and Ganesh Acharya and more Rashmika and Sri Leela, Samantha, these kind of big artists through dancing. So I will never forget dancing. I'll always continue dancing.
Okay.
But my focus now is completely on acting, as I have been practicing acting also from last few years, and I have done 3 Gujarati movies, from which 2 has already released. I've done 2 Hindi movies also, and one is releasing next month, that is Pintu Ki Puppy, which
Wow.
is directed and produced by Ganesh Acharya himself. So yeah, now I'm just looking forward for great and big opportunities in the Telugu industry, Tamil industry, and Malayalam industry as well. So hoping that the audience will accept me like they've accepted my dance and performance. So now they will accept me as an actor and support as well.
ఓకే. అండ్ ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్ యువర్ అప్కమింగ్ మూవీ రిలీజ్.
Thank you. Thank you.
ఊర్వశి గారు, ఇప్పుడైతే ప్రెసెంట్ మిమ్మల్ని హీరోయిన్ గా చూడాలని తెలుగు ఆడియన్స్ ఈగర్ గా వెయిట్ చేస్తున్నారు. ఎప్పుడెప్పుడు వస్తుందా ఊర్వశి స్క్రీన్ మీద చూద్దామా అని చెప్పేసి. సో తెలుగులో ఏమైనా మరి ఆఫర్ వచ్చిందా మీకు?
Definitely, it's my dream to work as an heroine in Telugu, Malayalam, or Tamil cinema, because I've been always following South Indian cinemas, and I've been fascinated by the direction, the choreography, the songs, the production, everything. So I'll be more than happy to work as a heroine and watch myself on the big screen in the South cinema. I'm very happy, and I just hope that I get good offers. And by the way, I got a lot of offers after the video went viral, and
Okay.
which is why I am in Hyderabad right now, and I'm shooting for something exciting, which I cannot reveal right now, but it will be releasing soon, so you'll get to know.
ఓకే. వెరీ నైస్. అండ్ తెలుగులో చేస్తే ఏ హీరోతో చేయాలని అనిపిస్తుంది మీకు? ఫస్ట్ మూవీ ఏ హీరోతో చేయాలనుకుంటున్నారు?
Uh, it is definitely Allu Arjun sir.
వావ్!
I want my first Telugu movie to be shot with Allu Arjun sir, and second is Ram Charan sir.
ఓకే.
Yes.
యువర్ ఫేవరెట్? బోత్
Yeah,
హీరోస్.
I'll have a lot of all the heroes are
Okay.
favorite. If you say that Allu Arjun sir, Ram Charan sir, Mahesh Babu sir, NTR sir, I want to work with everyone.
ఓకే. బట్
Yes.
ఫస్ట్ యు వర్క్ విత్
Allu
అల్లు
Arjun
అర్జున్
sir.
అండ్ రామ్ చరణ్ గారు.
Yes, Allu Arjun sir, anytime. I want to work with Allu Arjun sir as an actor now. Yes.
సో నిజంగా అలా చేస్తే ఇంకా అల్లు అర్జున్ ఫ్యాన్స్ కి ఇంకా పూనకాలు వస్తాయి అన్నమాట. సో పుష్ప 3 రిపీట్ అవ్వచ్చు.
I don't know. Let's hope for the best, and just want to thank each and everyone who is watching this interview right now. That I want to thank each and everyone personally. Thank you to the channel. Thank you each and everyone for so much love and support. Your support means a lot to me. Just keep supporting, and I'll be creating a lot of surprises for you guys.
డెఫినెట్లీ అల్లు అర్జున్ గారితో మీకు ఛాన్స్ రావాలి. బిగ్ స్క్రీన్ మీద మిమ్మల్ని ఇద్దరిని చూడాలి హీరోయిన్గా. అండ్ ఎందుకంటే ఇప్పటి వరకు కొరియోగ్రాఫర్గా మీ ఇద్దరు ఒక్క వీడియో రిలీజ్ అవుతేనే సోషల్ మీడియాలో దుమ్ము దులిపేస్తుంది. సో ఇప్పుడు ఇంకా మీ ఇద్దరిది బిగ్ స్క్రీన్ మీద చూడాలి. మీ హోప్ అనేది నెరవేరాలి త్వరగానే. సో అలా అని చెప్పేసి ఇటు ఆడియన్స్ తరపు నుంచి మా తరపు నుంచి కూడా మనస్ఫూర్తిగా విష్ చేస్తున్నాను.
Thank you so much for the sweet wishes. And one experience I want to share, that I was always having that urge that to be seen on the big screen. Like I always, whenever I worked as an assistant choreographer, we get the chance to do the artist marking. Artist marking is the camera rehearsal. What we do before the artist comes, that is the camera marking. So I go on the artist mark and I perform. I just forget everything that I am a choreographer or something else. I just imagine myself as the artist of the song, and I perform with my heart and soul. And then I just go to the Shogun and I watch myself, and I just love watching myself, and I just wish that someday I be on the big screen and people watch me doing that. So I just live in that moment. When I do the artist marking, I live in that moment, imagining myself as an artist. And now things are unfolding for me with all your love and support. So someday, yes, hopefully.
ఓకే. విచ్ జోనర్ మూవీ యువర్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ అండ్ యువర్ క్యారెక్టర్ విచ్ జోనర్లో ఏ జోనర్లో ఉండాలనుకుంటున్నారు?
I'm open to any character, because
ఓకే.
for me as an actor, I would love to experience different kind of characters and show the audience through that character. So I'm open to experience any kind of character. I don't have any limitations, whether it is a beggar or an alcoholic or a glamour, anything. I just want to act.
ఓకే. ఎనీ క్యారెక్టర్ చేయడానికి మీరు రెడీ.
Yes,
Also
I am
ready.
ready.
ఓకే. వెరీ గుడ్. ఉర్వశి గారు, మీరు కొరియోగ్రాఫర్గా ఇన్ని ఇయర్స్ నుంచి కూడా చేస్తున్నారు. అండ్ సినీ ఇండస్ట్రీలో ప్రతి ఒక్కరు కూడా కొన్ని ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అనేవి ఉంటాయంటారు. సో కొరియోగ్రాఫర్గా మీరు ఏమైనా ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఫేస్ చేశారా? అండ్ ఎనీ సౌత్లో కానీ నార్త్లో కానీ అండ్ గుజరాత్లో కూడా మీరు మూవీస్ చేశారు. అక్కడ ఇక్కడ ఏదైనా ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఫేస్ చేశారా?
In general, if you say, everybody faces problems, because no road is easy to reach success. I have faced a lot of rejections firstly, and demotivation a lot from the other dancers and specific choreographers. I don't want to name them, but there are people who just want to not let me go forward in life. So there are a lot of problems I have faced. And if I speak about the dancers, then dancers do struggle a lot, because if you're shooting, for example, then the dancers have to come like 3 hours before before the shoot starts.
Okay.
And then unka pack-up bhi last mein hota hai, and then the dancers life is very struggling. They have to wear all kinds of costumes, and they have to adjust with the rooms and the
Yes.
travel and the food and everything. So I think this kind of things should improve for all the dancers, because I've been one of them. So the dancing and the dancers association should look into this and make things better for the dancers, because without the dancers the songs is just zero. So it's the dancers who makes the songs beautiful. It's the hundreds and thousands of dancers who are back dancers, and they make the song look huge. So all the credit goes to the dancers. And yeah, these were the problems I faced. And if I speak about the choreographers in the South India and pan India, then difficulty, I don't think so. There's any kind of difficulty, because I am so much passionate about dancing that I can grasp any style, and I am very excited to learn new styles from new masters, especially from the South India. The like I mentioned before, that the choreographers in the South are very unique. If you watch the peelings that the Shekhar Masters choreographed, I personally loved that choreography. It is something just wow and so much different. So I am open to learn these kind of styles, and any style you take it from the north or south or east. You take Punjabi Bhangra or Garba or south, or so dancing is something I will always want to learn more and more. And especially Telangana people, the way you dance, it is just, hats off. I have to learn from you guys.
వెరీ గుడ్.
Yeah.
అప్కమింగ్ కొరియోగ్రాఫర్స్ కి ఫీల్డ్ లోకి రావాలనుకునే వారికి ఏం సజెషన్స్ ఇస్తారు మీరు?
Um, I would like to say people who want to take up dancing as a profession, just do not hesitate and just go for it, because dancing is something which will always just evolve you. You're going to learn so much from dancing. You're going to be physically fit. You're going to meet people from the industry. You're going to meet big artists, because today I am where I am is only because of dance. If I was not a dancer, I might not reach today where I am. So my suggestion is that just keep a lot of patience, because if you get impatient, then it's gonna depress you. So and try to meet new choreographers, try to make new friends. And a lot of people are gonna demotivate you. There's a lot of competition in the industry, so never get demotivated. Just practice, get your own style, get something new in the industry, introduce yourself, keep making videos, and just try something new. And I'm sure that someday somebody will definitely recognize you.
ఫైనల్లీ పుష్ప 2 చాలా మీకు ఫ్యాన్ బేస్ని తీసుకొచ్చిందని చెప్పాలి, ఒక రిలీజ్ అయిన వీడియోతో, కిసిక్ సాంగ్. సో అయితే మీకు ఈ మూవీలో వర్క్ చేయడం అండ్ సుకుమార్ సార్తో వర్క్ చేయడం ఎలా అనిపించింది? అండ్ అలాగే మైత్రి మూవీ మేకర్స్లో వర్క్ చేయడం ఎలా అనిపించింది? హౌ ఈజ్ యువర్ ఫీల్?
I would say that again, I'm very lucky to work with such a big production house, Maitri Movie Makers. I really want to thank you from my heart for giving us this opportunity to work with your production house, and I'm looking forward to work again with Maitri Movies as a character in your movie, or if not, then even assistant is fine. And Suku sir, it's lovely working like a director with you. Allu Arjun sir, I want to thank you. Srilila ma'am, I want to thank you too. Thank you Ganesh Acharya for this opportunity. It's the whole team that we work together, and it's because of you guys that I am here today.
ఓకే, వెరీ నైస్. సో చాలా కంఫర్టబుల్గా మీరు పుష్ప 2లో వర్క్ చేశారైతే. సో అందరితో కూడా మీకు వెరీ ఫ్రెండ్లీ మూమెంట్స్.
Yeah.
ఫైనల్లీ ఊర్వశి గారు, మీ ఒక్క వీడియోతో కూడా ఆడియన్స్ అందరినీ కట్టుపడేశారు. చాలా ఈగర్గా మీరు ఎప్పుడు వస్తారా బిగ్ స్క్రీన్ మీదకి అని చెప్పేసి ఆడియన్స్ అందరూ కూడా వెయిట్ చేస్తున్నారు. అండ్ ఇన్స్టా ఫాలోవర్స్ ఆల్రెడీ మీకు కూడా కమెంట్స్ వచ్చి ఉంటాయి ఇన్స్టాలోని అండ్ ఫ్యాన్స్ నుంచి. సో మీ ఫ్యాన్స్కి ఏం చెప్తారు?
I just want to say that today Urvashi is Urvashi Apsara only because of you guys. All the credit goes to my Insta family for this love and support. I am trying my best to reply to each and everyone, but so much love and support that I might be missing out on some messages and comments. So I apologize for the same, but still I love you all. I love you so much from my heart. I'm seriously saying that I am today here only because of my audience, only because of the love and recognition that you guys have given me. Please keep supporting this way, and to all of you.
ఎస్, మా తెలుగు ఆడియన్స్ సపోర్ట్ ఎప్పుడు మీకు ఉంటుంది. సో త్వరలోనే అప్సరా ఊర్వశి గారిని అయితే ప్రతి ఒక్కరు కూడా బిగ్ స్క్రీన్ మీద చూడబోతున్నారు త్వరలోనే. ఎందుకంటే ఇప్పటికే మీ ఫ్యాన్స్ నుంచి వచ్చిన వాటి కూడా తను ఎంతో హ్యాపీగా ఉన్నారు. సో త్వరలోనే మీ ముందుకు కూడా రాబోతున్నారు. త్వరలోనే రావాలని కూడా మనం కూడా ఆశిద్దాం. అండ్ బిగ్ టీవీ ప్రేక్షకుల కోసం ఇప్పుడు ఒక కిస్సిక్ సాంగ్ ఒకసారి చేయకపోతే ఎలాగా, ఒకసారి ఒక్క స్టెప్ వేస్తారా?
Definitely, I'll do it for the Telugu audience because they have showered so much love on me. So I would do this for you, but you also do it with me.
యా, ఓకే.
So ready? Kiss, 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 kissicka, kissa, kissa, kiss, kissicka. Dabbal padte raja, dabbal padte ro, dabba dabba dabbal padte ro. Kiss, 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 kissicka, kissa, kissa, kiss, kissicka. Dabbal padte raja, dabbal padte ro, dabba dabba dabbal padte ro. Kiss, 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 kissicka, kissa, kissa, kiss, kissicka.
సో చూసారు కదా, ఊర్వశి అప్సరా త్వరలోనే తెలుగు ప్రేక్షకుల్ని కదా అందరూ ఆడియన్స్ అందరినీ కూడా అలరించడానికి త్వరలోనే బిగ్ స్క్రీన్ మీదకి ఎంట్రీ ఇవ్వబోతున్నారు. సో మన తరపు నుంచి కూడా ఆవిడకి బెస్ట్ విషెస్ చెప్తూ త్వరలోనే మన అందరినీ కూడా అలరించాలని చెప్పేసి, అండ్ తను ఏదైతే కోరుకుందో తెలుగులో ప్రత్యేకంగా ఎవరితో మూవీస్ అయితే చేయాలనుకుందో అవన్నీ కూడా త్వరలోనే నెరవేరాలని చెప్పేసి, అండ్ మా తరపు నుంచి మీ తరపు నుంచి కూడా బెస్ట్ విషెస్ చెప్పేద్దాం. అండ్ ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్ ఊర్వశి గారు.
Thank you so much. Thank you to the audience. Thank you Big TV. Thank you Telangana audience. Thank you so much.
సో చూసారు కదా, ఇది ఇవాల్టి స్పెషల్ చిట్ చాట్. కీప్ వాచింగ్ బిగ్ టీవీ.
For more videos like this, subscribe Big TV channel.